There's a fourth question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 4 tells that A, B, C, and D, E, F are congruent. That means same angle measures and side lengths, where A corresponds to D and B or E, B and E are right angles. So you draw your two triangles, mark your right angles. You've got A, B, C, and you've got D, E, F. So it says measure of angle A is 18 degrees. Then angle D has to be 18 degrees as well. That's degree sign, 18 degrees. And so, you know, there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So it's 18 plus 90 plus F equals 180. And you could leave the math to Desmos. Instead of putting the equal sign, put the tilde, and it will solve it for you. Check this out. If I pull up Desmos, I've got 18 plus 90 plus F. Shift, upper left of your keyboard, the tilde, 180. It gives you your answer, 72. B is correct. Mark it, move on. See the following video. Check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlist. Find Test 3, Module 1. The longer video is just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.